The Roborock Qrevo S robot vacuum and mop is a next-gen cleaning device designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping tasks with unparalleled efficiency, making it an ideal solution for busy households. Equipped with advanced navigation technology and powerful suction, the Qrevo S tackles dirt, dust, and debris on all floor types, including hardwood, tile, and carpet, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Its 2-in-1 vacuum and mop function allows it to seamlessly switch between vacuuming and mopping, saving you time and energy by eliminating the need for separate devices. With precision mapping and intelligent route planning, the Qrevo S ensures no spot is missed, navigating around obstacles and furniture with ease. The mop feature is particularly impressive, with a large water tank and adjustable mopping intensity, allowing for customized cleaning based on floor type or level of dirtiness. Plus, the Qrevo S is compatible with Roborock's mobile app, allowing users to schedule cleaning sessions, control the robot remotely, and monitor its cleaning progress. The long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted cleaning, while the self-emptying dustbin and washable mop cloth add extra convenience. The Roborock Qrevo S stands out as an efficient and smart cleaning companion that reduces your cleaning workload while providing a deep clean for your home, making it a must-have for those who want a smarter, easier cleaning routine.